Hey, what's up? So, what I got here is a 1991 wheel horse, 520, and it's had that surging issue. I resealed the intake, cleaned the carburetor, and it still has the surging. So I went and I bought one of those Chinese carburetors from eBay, and I thought I would do like a video on how it turns out. So let's look at it. So, I mean, the carburetor looks really nice. Looks identical except for the gas thing. The choke is the same. The only difference I see on it, here's the original, is the throttle lever. See if I could do this one-handed. There we go. See, the throttle lever has two holes, and this throttle lever has just one hole. I think that'll be okay. Oh, I spilled some gas. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on there, get it all bolted together, get everything ready to start, and then I'll get the camera back on, and we'll see how it runs. Because the new owning carburetor is like $200, and this was, I mean, it wasn't cheap, this one, it was $60, so, but we'll see. So let me get all this back together and I'll be back. Well, I had a little issue. Got the carburetor on and started putting my shields and stuff. Got the other shield right here. And I was going to change the fuel lines. And I was pushing the fuel line on here and broke the nipple off the fuel pump. So, ordered a new fuel pump, and I put that on when it gets here in a few days, and I'll be back. Well, for now I give it a thumbs up. Seems to be running good. No surging. A little bit of hesitation when I go to accelerate with it, but otherwise seems to be good. I'll modal on with it, and after I modal on with it, we'll see how it is. But it's pretty hot right now. Seems to be good. So idle's good. It's pretty decent. The $60 carburetor gets a thumbs up so far. So peace out.